What's going on? It's Roger. Here I am again doing another review on a different bento box. This one is also by Cater in conjunction with Tomica bento brand. This was about, I think, $8 to $10 as well. Anyways, I got the one that's a fire truck. The other one that I saw was of a police car. I used to do forest firefighting, so I am naturally drawn to fire trucks. Anyways, here it is. Look at the detail. Let's build Tomica. Even has a strap on it already. Take off the strap. Two small bentos. Containers. Put rice in there and see if this one is sectioned up. I don't think it is. Oh yeah, there's a section there, and you can actually take out one of these. You just want to put rice in there or chicken. Anyways, there you have it. Tomica's fire truck bento container.